Hi guys, it's me, Skylar Capri, and today I'm coming at you with a skincare haul. I've actually partnered up with Aloe products to bring this to you. They sent me a big basket full of goodies. I have most of them sit on my desk vanity thing. But yeah, so I thought I'd share them with you. They are a they're an all-natural skincare brand. They do have an Instagram and a website. The Instagram and the website will be linked down below in the description box. But yeah, I know a lot of people are really interested in what's in their skincare, what they're putting on their face and their body, and that it's something that's aroused problems. I know a lot of people are going cruelty free, and a lot of people don't agree with some brands, and when they don't agree with the brand in which the brand, okay, I'm trying to word this right. They don't agree with what the brand uses in their products and how they test their products, meaning they could test them on animals, or there are a lot of chemicals in their products that just aren't something that the consumer is interested in. So they are an all natural brand. On the little cards that came in the set, I'm pretty sure you get these with every order, but it does say you can get 10% off your next order of 25 or more by entering the promo code Aloe26. This has nothing to do with me. I don't get commission off it or anything. I just thought that sometimes I've seen comments saying that my hauls or my reviews have helped you to purchase items, and if you wanted to purchase any of these, you might as well save some money. Again, this has nothing to do with me. It's not a commission code. It's nothing like that. But if you would like to save 10% on your next order of 25 off or more, use the code Aloe26, and it will be in the description box down below. So now on to the products. I'm going to start with the soap bars. They sent me two. This is Potent Peppermint. The labels on both sides have actually rubbed off. And then I also have Omega Orange. These are 75-gram soap bars, and they do come in a soap box. I love this about them. I find it really annoying when soap comes in plastic packaging. I know that's just easier for most companies to do, but it's like, well, where am I supposed to put that if you don't already have a soap bar or a soap bar? If you don't already have a soap container, or you have another soap right now, if you have another soap right now in that container, I just thought that it was really nice how they come with their own container. Also, they do have the ingredients printed on the back. I actually have had these both in my shower and at dive and swim practices, so they have rubbed off, but most of their products have the ingredients still on them, like the lotion bar, it has the ingredients, the scrub, the body butter, they still have the ingredients on it, except not the soap bars because I haven't used them, as I said. These are very nice, natural scent, nothing too overpowering, strong, not a chemical like based scent, and I have been really enjoying those. Also, quick mention, you can use those on your face and your body. I've been using them on my face for now, and I really like them. My skin is pretty clear at the moment, and I'm not sure if it's due to those products, but I have been enjoying them, in case you are wondering about that. Now onto the two lotion type products they sent me. This is the body butter and this is the flower lotion bar. I will be doing a close-up on the flower lotion bar because the engraving is pretty sweet. But I will show you the body butter first, and it just looks like this. It comes in like a mason jar style jar, and it does have the ingredients listed on there. It is olive oil, coconut oil, beeswax, vitamin E, castor oil, and grapeseed oil. So that is 6 ingredients. That's it. No chemicals, no nothing. I don't have to search it up online. I know what's in my products. Both of these have a really clean, they have the same scent, and they're really hydrating. One thing I do want to say about the flower lotion bar, though, it does leave you a bit greasy feeling. I know that is a no-no for some people. They don't like that feeling. They want it to seep into their skin more. It does leave a slight greasy feeling. It's nothing like you just took a bath in a whole bunch of oil or anything like that, but it does leave a bit of a greasy feeling. And now I'm going to insert a close-up of the flower lotion bar because, you guys, this thing is gorgeous. Alrighty, so that was the lotion bar and all of the lotions. Now onto the body scrub. This is the I had this in my shower, and the label actually rubbed off. It's kind of funny. But this is the oatmeal scrub exfoliant. This has really awesome ingredients and a really great smell. Also, it is a more chunky, not as fine exfoliant exfoliator. It's not a salt or sugar, hence the name oatmeal, but it does have a very nice scent, and I would definitely recommend this. You are getting a lot of product in this, and I've used this about 3 times so far on my whole body, and I'm about down to there. This is perfect for before shaving, definitely not after in case you accidentally nick or cut yourself. But it's great before shaving, and it's a really good exfoliant. I know I have more sensitive skin, so most exfoliants, even on like my legs and stuff, kind of are irritating and tend to burn. But that one was perfect. It was just the right amount of exfoliating and gentle, so it wasn't really, really scratchy, but it was a good exfoliant, and it did get the dead skin cells off, which is great. So I would definitely recommend the scrub. Also, Aloe products did update their Instagram. I actually had to refilm this because I didn't realize that the frames per second in the video weren't with my editing software, so I am going back and refilming this, but I'm kind of glad because I can update you on this, and that is Aloe products is in a store. I will leave the store name. I believe it's in Illinois, so if you live in Illinois, maybe that might be something you're interested in if you're interested in any of the products, but I will let you know down below where the products are being sold at in case you live up near there. Now I have the bath bomb, and this is the lavender bath bomb. They do have other scents, but I will be doing a close-up on this. It does have a lot of really great ingredients in here and benefits. It does list the benefits and the ingredients, which is nice, so that way you're not having to go up online. But the benefits of lavender from the package say that includes lower skin irritation, prevents infections, and reduces inflammation. So I believe this would be perfect for after a hard practice or when you're sunburned, because it does relieve irritation, and I think this would be awesome. Also, this has a really nice smell. It's not like that old lady lavender scent. It's more of like a natural fresh lavender scent. So I do really like this, and I will zoom you up on that now. Alright, so this is the lavender bath bomb, and I will zoom you up on that. There you can see all of the flecks of lavender. This probably will not be producing a color in the bath. It's more towards kind of like a healthier bath bomb with more skin helping products. But yeah, so that is what the bath bomb looks like. Alrighty, and the last 3 products, actually 4 products, have to do with your lips. I have 3 lip scrubs and 1 lip balm. So the lip balm or chapstick looks like this, and this does have lavender essential oil in it, so it does have a nice kind of lavendery scent. Again, all of their scents are really nice and natural, nothing too like overly sweet or anything like that. This is a nice chapstick, but like all chapsticks or lip balms, you are going to want to keep them in a cooler place. I do find that this tends to melt more easily and get more kind of buttery, I say, than my other chapsticks, probably because that it's made out of these certain ingredients. But this does kind of feel like butter as you're gliding on your lips. It just kind of melts on. So that's just something to keep in mind, because if you normally throw it in your purse or your bag, you probably don't want to do this with this chapstick unless it's kind of cold where you live, or the top kind of gets all melty, and then when you put it on, it just kind of smushes on your lips. But this is really nice. I do find that this is moisturizing, which is great, because I know some lipsticks, personally for myself, the EOS or EOS, however you want to say it, I do think that those have a more waxy covering, and they don't actually hydrate my lips as well, but something like this really does. And this does have coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E, beeswax, and castor oil in it. Now on to the last 3 products, and these are all lip scrubs. So we have 3 flavors. We have blueberry, strawberry, and pineapple, and I will be doing an up close so you can see the actual how grainy it is. I know some people like a more fine grain scrub, but others don't mind whether it's a thicker or a finer scrub. But I do have 3, the pineapple and the blueberry one. The pineapple is on top and the blueberry one is on the bottom. And then the strawberry one comes in this really cute kind of, it looks like a diamond to me for some reason, but it comes in this really cute packaging. The packagings are plastic, not glass or anything like that. I would say my favorite scent is the pineapple. I actually used the pineapple one last night, and it was super great. I do think that if you get it in your mouth, it's not going to taste as good, obviously. If you have ever tried out any of the Lush lip scrubs, I have the bubblegum one. bubble gum one, and it tastes really good. Not so much with these guys, if that's anything you're concerned about, but normally you don't eat your lip scrubs. But I do really enjoy these, and I think they are pretty good. They don't leave a residue behind on my lips, and they are more oil-based. I like that it doesn't have a residue, because normally like an oily kind of texture, I just don't like. But these are really great, and I would recommend. Also, price range will be linked down below. I was actually on their website last night while I was going through my clips, and their most expensive product, which is $24, was on sale for $16, but I'm not sure how long that's going to last. So when I do leave the price range down below, it will say up to $24, because I want to go with the original price before any discounts are taken off. So that's that. I will be doing a close-up of one of the lip scrubs, but that is it. Alright everyone, so I am in my bathroom now, and I'm going to zoom up on the scrub. That is what it looks like. Sorry if the camera is a bit shaky because I am holding it, but as you can see, there are bigger salt pieces in it than a normal lip scrub or sugar scrub from the ones from Lush. So yeah, so that is the blueberry lip scrub. I wanted to show you the blueberry one and not the pineapple one, because the pineapple is a light yellow shade, and I wanted you to be actually able to see the granules in it. I almost waved. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested on any of the products, again, I will have their website linked down below. I'm not sure if I can link their Instagram account, but if I can, I will have that link down below as well. I will give you updates on the bath bomb in a future video, and I will also leave the promo code that they left with my little package down below. Again, it has nothing to do with me, but if you want to order anything on here that seemed interesting or you just wanted to try out, I will leave it down below so you can save money. I'm not really sure how expensive these products are because I was sent them, but I will leave the prices for the lowest to highest product in the description box under the website so you can get an idea for the price of each product, because I know that is really helpful. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am planning on doing some get ready with me hair, makeup, outfit. I think that'd be really interesting. And I am planning on doing some more swim and Jolene videos, as I'm going to be ordering another thing off their website. So I think that would be a really fun idea. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!